Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to install a Google Tag Manager on WordPress. So as you can see, I'm already in Google Tag Manager. For those of you who don't have a Google Tag Manager account, you come to Google search and just type Google Tag Manager. Then when it comes, click on this particular link and it will bring you to here. Now, before we even start by creating an account and installing it, someone may ask, what is Google Tag Manager and why do I even need to create it or install it? Now, if you are into Google Ad or if you are trying to set up a Google Ad campaign, you may see something like conversion tracking has been created, but the tag is not yet verified. Or sometimes you may be running an advert and it tells you that your conversion tracking is not set up or is inactive. What it basically means is that there is no connection currently between your website and Google. So as you run the Google ad campaign, people who see the advert and take certain actions like click or go to follow the link on the advert, they see the advert, they click the link and go to your website. It is not recorded on your website for you to know that this number of people have seen the advert, this number of people took an action to click and actually went to the website. So you are not able to track all those conversion processes. So Google Tag Manager is a way of connecting your website to the Google Ad campaign, so that as the advert runs, you are able to track the processes, the number of people that saw it, the number of people that bought the product or service you are selling, or those who saw it and filled the form or whatever action they took, you will be able to track it successfully. Now, when you get to this particular interface, you click on create account, then you put your business name here. So let me just copy my business name. So I'm putting the business name. Then they will ask of the country. So selecting the country, I'm running this for a client. So you put the location as a country. Then you will be asked to put your container name. So the container name is usually the website. And you may have many websites, okay? So the container name should reflect that particular website or the URL for which you are setting up this Google Tag Manager. So you put it. Now they will ask you the target platform. So we have web. Web means website. You have iOS, Android, AMP, and then server. So just select the website. If your own is a website, select the website. If it is an app that you may go for this one or this, but once it's website, just select this one, and then just select a website. Then you create. Now you click on create. So it will bring you to this interface, and then you will have to read here. It will ask you to read, these are the terms, Google Tag Manager terms of service. So you read all of them, make sure you understand what they're saying. Then you come and click on, I accept the data processing terms as required. Then you now click on yes. It says permission denied. Let me just okay. I'm sure it's because this one I didn't take this one. So I've taken it. Let me click on create again. And click on this. Click on yes. It is successful. Now, after you have successfully done that, now come to your WordPress website. Okay. So when you come to your WordPress admin dashboard, come to your plugins. And under plugins, let me just show you. Under plugins, you click on add new. And then type um, header and footer code manager. So you install this particular, you install this one, okay? After you install it, you activate it. I have already installed it. So after you are done with that, you come and click on it. Click on it. When you click on it, you click on add new. So when you click on add new, and take time and follow this process carefully, because if you don't do it well, it can cause a problem on your website. You come and they'll ask of the snippet name. So you click Google Tag Manager header. You type Google Tag Manager header. Then the site display, click on site white. Then the location should be header. Okay. Then the status is active. Then you come back to here and copy this. So as you see, it says paste the code in the head of the page as possible. So you come here, come and then paste it. Okay. Make sure the header, the location is the header. And then after that, you click on save. So if you don't do this well, it can break your website. That's why I am telling you to take an extra look and make sure you do the right thing. So you click on save. Okay. So that one is done. Then after you are done with that, come again and click on add new. Then the name here, you make it GTM footer. Okay. Then at the location, make sure footer is what is selected. Now, when you come back here, you see they said paste the code immediately at the opening or body. So the opening or the body is the same as the footer. So you come and click this one. And then come here. So you click here and paste it. So this one is a footer, as you can see. So when you paste that one, then also come and click on save. The third option, or what you need to do now, is to test your website. To test your website. So how do you test? You now copy your website link and then come and paste it here. And then you click on test. Let me just, now I just want to put it this way. Okay. You're asking me to put the full URL. Okay, this way. So you click on test. Good. As you can see, you see the green check mark. It means it's connected. It means it's connected. So your website is now connected. If you did not set up conversion tracking, because of course, if this is not done, you cannot set up conversion tracking. I will leave a video in the description. I will leave a link in the description. You can follow that link to be able to set up your conversion tracking. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. See you in the next video.